Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at differentiation involving product rule. So today we are looking at product rule. If you are given a complex expression to differentiate, how do you know that you should use that rule? Look at this, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1x cubed minus 2x plus. If you start multiplying this, it takes up your space and it takes a lot of time before you can get a simplified expression. And differentiating that brings also a lot of stress. So that is why we have other rules. We have the quotient rule, we have the chain rule, we have the U method, and we have the product rule. For this, product means two items multiplying themselves. So we have the product rule, and the product rule is for you to get the derivative of this function, you have the derivative of x times g plus the derivative of g times x, f. So that gives you the product rule. Now, how do we get our f and g? You can just label them. Take one of the functions as your f, the first one as your f, and the second one as your g. Now, you go ahead and get this. This level of differentiation, you don't really have to simplify to the fullest. But what they want to do is to see that you understand the concept and the method and you are able to break it down and get the derivative. Now, to differentiate this, first of all, we get the first derivative of the whole of the first bracket represents f. So this will give us 2 times 3, which is 6x. 2 times 3 is 6x. 2 minus 1 plus 1 times 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. X raised to the power 0 is 2. The derivative of a constant is 0. Now, times, it says multiplying g of x. So this will multiply everything you have here. Plus 4. Now we go to the second part. It says plus. Now we change the derivative of g. This is 3 times x, which is 3x. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Then this is 1 times negative root 2 is still negative root 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. X raised to the power 0 is gone. The derivative of a constant is 0. Remember g of x, derivative of g of x, and then we get our f of x. We get our f of x, which is 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. So the derivative of this function gives us this. Like I told you, you don't necessarily have to simplify further. For product rule, quotient rule, if it is still complex, leave it like this. The mark allocation is given for you applying this rule properly. Applying this rule properly gives you the derivative. But if it is a very simple expression, go ahead and simplify. But remember, we were not asked to simplify, we were asked to differentiate. So going through this step means you have differentiated and you can stop here. Even if we want to simplify, we have a smaller number of items to multiply through. So this is how we use product rule to differentiate when we have complex expressions, especially when they are multiplying each other. If there was a third bracket, we continue down this, we have f, g, and another maybe k of x, f, g, k of x, and the third part we also have f, g, k of x. We differentiate one only in a section. So please remember to pop questions or bring in your own questions so that we can help you. You have to pass that exam. I'll see you.